Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a heart. This is the easiest way. So the first step is to go on the rectangle tool and you can make a rectangle. After this we need to go on the selection tool. You select the object and the next step is to right click and go to transform and rotate. We need to have it on 45 degrees, and the next step is to select it again and again go to transform, but this time we need to go to reflect, and this time we need to copy it on the top of the other one, and now we have it on the top of each other. With the shape builder tool we make it in this way, we unite it, and now we go on the direct selection tool and we select the corners. While we keep shift, we have shift on hold, we hold shift on the keyboard, and now we make it in this way. This is an ugly heart, but we can try it again. We can make another one. For example, we make another rectangle tool or another rectangle. We select the rectangle tool again, and we can make in another way. If we hold shift and we go on the corner, we can click and drag, and now we have it on 45 degrees. And now we go on transform and reflect again, and we copy it. We go on the top of each other. They're a bit different, but that's not a problem. We go on the shape builder tool again, and we make it one piece. We move it again, we remove this piece that left behind. We go again on direct selection tool, and while we hold shift, we select those angles. And now we click on this little button here, the round one, and we have a perfect heart. As you can see, this one is perfect. So that's it. With a little bit of practice, you can have perfect hearts every time you want. So let's make it a bit beautiful. We make it red now. So that's it. If you liked it, you can comment, you can like, you can share with your friends, and if you have any questions, you can ask them in the comment section below the video. Thank you. Have a good day.